This organic, instant miso soup is great to take on the go or enjoy at home if you are in a hurry. This soup tastes great and is very simple to make. All you need to make this soup is hot water. You can enjoy the soup by itself or as a side to your main course. It is healthy, delicious, and simple. This instant miso soup contains wakame seaweed and tofu toppings. Tofu becomes soft and fluffy when dissolved in the soup. This miso soup is a product of Japan and is manufactured by Hikari Miso. This brand dates back to 1936, where a family in Nagano, Japan began a small business focused on creating high-quality, natural, and organic food products. Still today, Hikari Miso is devoted to organic practices that are good for the land, air, and water. The efforts of this company help to reduce emissions, packaging, and waste. Not only is this brand devoted to the environment, but they also create quality and great tasting products. The flavor of this instant miso soup is like any other restaurant quality miso soup. It is salty, tangy, and savory. It is made from organic soybean paste, and so it has an umami taste. It also has onion and garlic powders that give it some good flavor. Each container contains 3 servings, and each serving size has only 35 calories. There is 1 gram of fat, 630 milligrams of sodium, 5 grams of total carbs, less than 1 gram of fiber, 2 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of protein per serving. This soup is gluten-free, vegan, and includes fresh miso paste. This miso soup is light and can be eaten by itself. You could also add a few simple ingredients to this miso soup to make it a heartier meal. Consider adding shrimp or fish, which go great with any type of miso soup. You can also add mushrooms, which will provide a complementary flavor, as well as add a number of health benefits. Clams or crab meat will make the soup take on an especially umami flavor, along with more protein and healthy fats. The instructions indicate to pour in the packets, add the hot water, and stir well. Here, I'm going to open the packet. Inside, we find 3 packets of miso paste and 3 packets of garnish. We'll follow the instructions by emptying the fresh miso paste and garnish into a bowl. Then we'll add 5 to 6 ounces, which is about 160 milliliters of hot water. We'll stir well, and I'll show you how it looks. This miso soup tastes great. I really hope you will get to try out this delicious miso soup. It is so easy to make and is a healthy side dish.
Enjoy. Bye bye.